Thank you so much for purchasing your face shield from GreenLeaf Industries. We are so happy to help you during these different circumstances and situations. Today, we're going to learn how you can put your own face shield together, which will come packaged in a bag like this. Also, if you prefer written instructions, we have those included inside. Now, let's begin. Please note that this face shield has been engineered for people of all ages and all sizes. Now we have opened our bag, and here we have our shield, our protective face shield sticker, our strap assembly, our piece of foam, our written instructions that we mentioned earlier in the video, and 2 defogging wipes. Step 1 is selecting the size of the mask by choosing which slot to use. Our top slot is for people with longer faces or bigger heads, and our second slot is for people with smaller faces or smaller heads. This is really good for children. Step 2, with the mask on the table, we're going to scratch off the film and pull it off on each side. So we're going to pull back this side. We're going to flip it over. Then we're going to pull off this side, this film. Step 3, we're going to grab our sticker, and you can write your name right here. And we're going to remove the back and place it between which slot we're going to use. So we're going to use the top slot because I have a bigger head. So we're going to put it right here in the middle, and we're going to press it down. Then we're going to flip the shield over and take our strap assembly and make sure it's facing this way. And we're going to center it right here. Then we're going to remove this left backing, and we're going to go over. So we'll take this shield, we're going to go over like so, and then fasten it, and then press. And then we're going to take our right side, remove the backing, and go under, and then over. Once that step is done, we can remove this. And it doesn't remove, but you can pull back with this little tab right here. We're going to lay it open. Step 5 is grabbing our foam. And we're going to remove this back right here. And we're going to put it in the middle on the back side and line it up. And then press. And we're going to fasten our strap assembly together again. And now your shield is ready to apply. Now we are ready to apply our face shield. Here we have Audrey, and we're going to use her mask, and she used the second slot because she has a smaller head. And now we're going to unfasten this and apply it to her. Here you can see the foam move to form her head as it fills up those spaces that we have. So it's nice and secure. Right, once secure, she can move her head and see how it does not hit her in the shoulders. We have engineered it for it to be like that. And now we just want to say, thank you for purchasing our face shields.